Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel where we show you step-by-step guides and tutorials. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can log into your Brightwheel Provider account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open up a browser of your choice and search for Brightwheel Provider Login. Then, select the first link. This will take you to the Brightwheel login page where you need to enter a username or email or your phone number through which you had created an account, and once you've done that, enter your password and then select sign in. And that's how easy it is to log into your Brightwheel Provider account. So that's all for today guys. Give us a thumbs up if this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and please feel free to comment and let us know if you have any doubts. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time we post another video. I thank you for watching and have a great day.